Good morning everyone. I am Ninad Kulkarni and welcome to my doubt clearing session. The question is, the probabilities of A and B solving a problem independently are 1 upon 3 and 1 divided by 4 respectively. So the probability of A is 1 upon 3. That means out of 3 times only there is chance that he will solve the problem once. Similarly, out of 4 times, B will solve the problem only once. That is the probabilities. Okay. If both of them try to solve the problem independently, what is the probability that the problem is solved? What is the probability that the problem is solved? That is the question that is asked. Okay. First, we will note down P of A. P of A is given as 1 upon 3. Similarly, P of B is equal to 1 divided by 4. So these are the individual probabilities that are given. Similarly, first we need to find their complement. That means probability of A solving the problem is 1 upon 3. We have to know what is the probability of A not solving the problem. That is called as a complement. P of A complement. P of A complement is given as 1 minus P of A. That means P of A not solving the problem is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 3 cross multiplication. 3 minus 1 upon 3 is equal to 2 upon 3. So P of A complement is equal to 2 upon 3. Similarly, P of B complement is equal to 1 minus P of B is equal to 1 minus 1 upon 4. Okay, is equal to 4 minus 1 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 4. So these are the individual probabilities and their respective complements. That means P of A will solve the problem. The probability that A will solve the problem is 1 upon 3. The probability that A will not solve the problem is 2 upon 3. Probability that B will solve the problem is 1 upon 4. Probability that B will not solve the problem is 3 upon 4. Now, if A and B are given the problems to solve independently, the question is asked that what is the probability that the problem will be solved. Who has solved the problem is not of our business, is none of our business. The question is the problem should be solved by A, by B or by both. By A or B or by both. So there are 3 cases that are arising. Case 1. A will solve the problem. A will solve the problem, and if I use the word and, that means the multiplication theorem of probabilities is applied. A will solve the problem and B will solve the problem. B will solve the problem. That means both A and B will solve the problem. Okay, is equal to, what is P of A? It is 1 upon 3 into P of B is 1 upon 4 is equal to 1 upon 12. So this is first case. Second case, A will solve the problem and B will not solve the problem. For not solving, it is complement. For not solving, it is complement. That is 1 upon 3 into 3 upon 4 is equal to 3 upon 12. I am not cancelling this 3 because the denominator I want to keep as 12 itself, so that addition will be easy. Next, third case. Probability A will not solve the problem. That means A complement, and B will solve the problem. That means P of B is equal to A complement. P of A complement is 2 upon 3 into 1 upon 4. That comes out to be 2 upon 12. Another case is there that both will not solve the problem, but we are not concerned with that case because we require the problem to be solved. Okay, so these are the three cases. These are the three cases in which the problem will get solved. Either both will solve the problem, or A will solve the problem, B will not solve the problem, or A will not solve the problem and B will solve the problem. These are the three cases, and these three cases will cannot occur simultaneously. Either this case will occur, or this case, second case will occur, or third case will occur. That means there is a or word I have used. That means if I am using the or, the word addition will come into place. Addition will come into place. That means I will add these three probabilities because these are mutually exclusive events. These are mutually exclusive events. So I will add this. Either this case will happen, or this case will happen, or this case will happen. Okay. Now the total probability that the problem is solved is equal to first case. That means first case probability is 1 upon 12 plus 3 upon 12 plus 2 upon 12. That comes out to be 1 plus 3 because denominators are same plus 2 divided by 12 is equal to 1 plus 3 is 4 plus 2 is 6. 6 divided by 12 is equal to 1 divided by 2. So the probability that the problem is solved is 1 upon 2. That means there are 50% chance that the problem is solved. Okay, we are not concerned with who solved the problem, who has solved this problem. We are concerned with how, or what is the probability that, what is the chance that the problem gets solved. That is the main question. So we have got the answer. We have got the answer as 1 upon 2. Hope this will answer your questions and clear your doubts. Thank you.